namaste everyone, and I would like to welcome you all to Times Business Award North 2025. And today I'm sitting right next to Mr. Raja Raman Khanna, the founder of St. Teresa School and Stepping Stone Convent School, and he is bringing transformation into the field of education. Welcome, sir. It's a pleasure having you here with us today.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, sir, my first question for you is, what role does emotional intelligence play in the Vision 360 model of education?
Today education is totally transformed. Earlier, we used to have a lot of emphasis on academics only, and we used to have, stuffing the students with the facts. In fact, 20th century was an era of information only. But today, there is a change, total change, and paradigms of educations have totally changed. Today, we need to have development of the students, which is all around. हम बच्चों का दिमाग मस्तिष्क विकसित करना चाहते हैं, उसको प्रदीप्त करना चाहते हैं, and at the same time we want that there should be development of the heart also of the students, along with development and building of the body also. We want our children should have iron muscles and steel nerves, but in that body there should be a heart of Gautam Buddha or Saint Teresa Mother, which sprinkles and spreads peace and love throughout in the society as well as in the world itself. So emotional development, emotional intelligence is very important for these students, because 360 means all round. We want academics, we want physical development, we want to foster spiritual also, and we want that the students should have concern for the society as well as concern for the environment also. But most important is emotional development of the student. Emotional means understanding your own emotions and as well as emotions of the other person also.
Yes.
When we understand our own emotions, we are able to assess them, then we are a balanced person. आप एक छोटी सी बात सुनिए, मान लीजिए हम इमोशनली डेवलप नहीं है प्रॉपर तरीके से, और दैट इज वाई lot of road rages are taking place.
Yes.
Violence is taking place. Students are having more violence. आप गाड़ी में जा रहे हैं और आगे वाले गाड़ी ने कार रोक दी because of traffic, and traffic starts and he is not able to start. You get upset. You come out of your car, go and start fighting with him. Why you are not starting your car? This is emotional imbalance. But the moment you go over there and you see that the other person is handicapped and he is not able to start his car because he is handicapped, and you immediately change your emotions at that time.
Yes.
आप कहते हो मैं आपकी कुछ हेल्प करूं. So if in the sitting car itself we think that there may be some problem with that person, or maybe sometimes what happens, the other person is having so much of another problem in the mind, because this world is a bhagam bhagi ka hai. Everybody is running. So we have to balance our emotions. That is very important. And emotions are also important, that once you are well educated,
Yes.
then you should have sympathy and empathy for the others.
Yes.
आपका जीवन केवल सफल ही नहीं होना चाहिए, सार्थक होना भी बहुत जरूरी है. You should be of a service to the public also, to the downtrodden also, those who are unprivileged. जो असहाय हैं उनके लिए भी होना चाहिए. So emotions are very important, which must be controlled. And when our emotions are controlled and we understand the emotions of the other person, our reaction and action is always very conducive for making good relations. अगर हमें बात बात पर गुस्सा आता है, तो that means we are not having controlled emotions, and these things are very important. We have to train our students in these respects.
Yes.
और दूसरे के लिए कुछ करना है,
हाँ जी।
ये मन में जागना चाहिए। जैसे हम सेंट ट्रेसा स्कूल में हमने एक नेकी की दीवार बना रखी है।
हम्म
हम अपने बच्चों को कहते हैं कि जो भी आपके पास पुराने कपड़े हैं वहाँ आकर रखिए।
हम्म
गरीब लोग, इफ दे आर टेकिंग इट, इट विल बी ऑफ यूज टू अदर्स। वी आर
Yes.
टेलिंग आवर स्टूडेंट्स that you should give your books to the other students who are not able to purchase them.
Yes.
Or most of the time I am telling the students that each student should teach another student,
Hmm.
those who are not able to get proper facilities as far as education is concerned.
Hmm.
तो बात यह है कि दूसरों के गमों पर, दूसरों के गमों की आंच पर आंसू उबाल कर तो देखिए,
Hmm.
जो रंग निकलेगा उसको डालकर तो देखिए, आपके दिल की चुभन कम होगी। किसी के पाँव का कांटा निकाल कर तो देखिए, किसी के पाँव का कांटा निकाल कर तो देखिए। So that is what we need for 360-degree development of the child. Emotional development, emotional intelligence is extremely important. It is an integral part of the education system.
It should be, because as I have experienced since childhood, इंडिया में मेंटल हेल्थ और इमोशनल हेल्थ को काफ़ी या फिर बिल्कुल भी बिना फोकस के देखा जाता है, बिल्कुल भी फोकस नहीं किया जाता है.
Yes.
एंड एज यू कैन सी, अ लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स आर कमिटिंग सुसाइड in today's generation, and even at home also their parents are not focusing on their mental health.
Yes.
But if the school is doing so now, so I believe there's a better future for all our students.
Yes, definitely better future. We need to have education of the parents also, along with the students also.
Yes, it's both ways.
It is both ways. See, by bitter relations are coming up. जब बच्चा छोटा होता है तो हर पेरेंट्स कहता है तू ही मेरा संसार है, तू ही मेरा त्योहार है, तू ही मेरा सब कुछ है. But when the child starts growing up with the materialistic words, parents start expecting too much from the students. They do not see what the students has his hidden qualities, hidden talents, and how we should deal with the children. That is very important. So emotional aspect is nowadays very important, and I have seen nowadays that the parents also have started understanding this fact. As far as the new generation is coming. पहले ज़माने में तो ऐसा होता था. आपको एक छोटी सी कहानी सुनाता हूँ. मेरा एक दोस्त है, अब उसके वो अपने बेटे को पिटाई करता था. तो एक दिन उसके बच्चे ने पूछा कि पापा ये आप मेरे को मारते हो, आपके पापा आपको मारते थे? हाँ मारते थे. तो फिर कहता है ये उनके पापा उनको मारते थे? हाँ मारते थे. तो कहता है ये बताओ ये इमोशनल अत्याचार कब तक चलेगा?
बिल्कुल.
So the parents have to understand, by beating we cannot mend the students. जो काम रीजनिंग से, जो काम प्यार से, जो काम समझा कर हो सकता है, वो मारने से नहीं कभी भी हो सकता. और आप याद रखना कि लाइफ के अंदर अगर आपके पिताजी ने एक बार भी आपको चांटा मारा है तो वो सारी उम्र याद रहेगा. और एक बार भी आपको प्यार किया है, the whole of your life you will remember. I remember I was in class 5th once, and मुझे याद है कि मैं गुर्दे का चित्र बना रहा था. और my headmaster came in the, I was one of the most intelligent students in the school. My headmaster came in the room and he said, he was standing behind me. I did not notice him. जब उसने देखा तो उसने मेरे को पैट किया. और वो जो पैट की फीलिंग है, it is still having impression on my back. वो फीलिंग आज भी जाग जाती है जब उस चित्र को मैं दोबारा से रूपांतरित करता हूँ अपने मन के अंदर. So this is very very important, that emotionally we should develop the students, and the whole society should look into this aspect, which is very important for educational purposes.
बिल्कुल सर. So the next question for you is, what initiatives are currently being implemented in your school to enhance the quality of education?
I have told you already that there is a paradigm shift, paradigm have changed as far as educational system is concerned. Earlier it was that we used to have rote learning and parroting the things. But today, information is available at the tap of the button of a laptop which is lying in your lap. So there is no need of, mugging up the things, stuffing the things in your mind and body. What is needed is that there should be development of the skills, development of the emotions, and applications of these skills into the new challenges of the changing world. So for such purposes, first of all, we have focused on the infrastructure development. We are having digital boards in the school. We have experiential. Second thing we are focusing is that we want experiential learning of the students, and that should be integrated with the skills also. That is also very important. And third thing which is very important today is that the teacher is the center of the education system. Earlier there was no focus on the development, professional development of the teachers. Lot of advancements are taking, innovations are taking in the education system. So it is very important that we should train our teachers.
Yes.
If they are trained, the educational system, the quality will automatically percolate to the students also. So these are the three important things we are focusing on. Main is teachers development, teachers workshop, teachers trainings. We are very strongly focusing on this point, so that if teacher is not emotionally developed, अगर वो घर की problems को she is bringing to the school and putting it to the students,
बिल्कुल सर.
then what will happen? टीचर को खुश रहना जरूरी है, टीचर्स को स्माइल करना जरूरी है.
लाइफ के 15 साल तो बच्चे टीचर्स के साथ ही स्पेंड करते हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली.
Yes, yes.
बिल्कुल.
So that is very important that teachers should be trained, and they should be so trained. आज की डेट में एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल देता हूँ. आज कंप्यूटर बहुत जरूरी है. अगर आपके पुराने टाइम की टीचर है कोई और उसको कंप्यूटर चलाना नहीं आता, तो आप समझ सकते हैं क्या पोजीशन. So it is very necessary that we should train our teacher into learning computers also. So these are the three things we are focusing on. Number one, that infrastructure should be developed, which should be digital. And the second one is experiential learning, integrated with these skills. And third one is development, professional development, and of the teachers into the new innovations which are coming up in the world to face the challenges.
Totally, sir. Totally. My next question for you is, what was the inspiration behind opening 23 group of schools?
See, we started with a school just with 2 rooms. Actually, earlier I was in a bank, and when I was working in a bank, I felt that it is not a cup of my taste. So my calling was somewhere else. So education, I had been already, topper in my life. I got scholarship in 5th, I got scholarship in 8th, I got scholarship in 11th also. My name was in the newspapers. So somehow I was more connected with the education. Luckily, when I got married, my wife was also MA B.Ed. So since bank was not, I was very much comfortable. So we both of us decided that we will go for education line, spread education in the society, and do work for the society something. See, our purpose is not opening schools only, but we are having our schools in the resettlement colonies also, where our fees is just 1,000 rupees also. So we wanted to do something for the society. So that was the purpose when we started the school. We did not know that we'll be having 23 schools. though it is already 37 years, I am in this profession, myself and my wife, and now my children are also involved in these schools. It so happened that once it started, and when the society found that we are providing quality education, and quality education along with not costly, affordable education. You know, one of my schools, I remember, Stepping Stone Convent School was famous. कहते अगर cheap and best school में जाना है तो Stepping Stone School में चले जाओ. So that sort of a school we had. So with that we kept on growing and growing, and today we have, with God's grace, not our efforts, because always I believe that whatever we are doing, that is always because of Him. It is His gratitude I express.
हाँ जी.
We are one of the reckoned schools in the society, and we are spreading education, and this is one of the best thing we do. कहते हैं कि अब देखो कोई भी चीज हम लाइफ के अंदर करते हैं,
हाँ जी.
हमें देने में मजा आता है,
हाँ जी.
लेने में मजा नहीं आता, और हम तो एजुकेशन का दान करते हैं, विद्या का दान करते हैं, तो वी ऑलवेज रिमेन हैप्पी. So that is the
And sir,
process we started like this.
I also believe कि जिसको पढ़ना है ना उसको एजुकेशन मिलनी चाहिए. कुछ बच्चे होते हैं जो अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाते, उनके पेरेंट्स अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाते हैं, बट अगर एक ऐसा स्कूल जो उन सब बच्चों को पढ़ा रहा है जिनको ज़रूरत है उस चीज़ की, तो इससे बड़ी बात तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकती.
आपको एक बात बता दूं कि मेरे पास अगर ये मेरी नज़र में आ जाए कि ये बच्चा पढ़ सकता है और होशियार है, और चाहे वो अफोर्ड कर पाए ना कर पाए, आई जस्ट सपोर्ट दैट चाइल्ड, चाहे वो एकेडमिक्स हो, इवन इन स्पोर्ट्स. मेरे पास ऐसे बच्चे आते हैं कि बहुत अच्छा खेलते हैं, बट पेरेंट्स स्कूल अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते.
हाँ जी.
मैं कहता हूँ ले आओ, कोई बात नहीं है, हम उनको फ्री में पढ़ाएंगे. क्योंकि अगर स्पोर्ट्स में भी कोई बच्चा कर रहा है तो दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी गुड, क्योंकि स्पोर्ट्स इज ऑल्सो एन एजुकेशन. आई बिलीव sports is the best way of education. So that is always our motto, to help those also who are not able to have access to the good schools. That is, मैं आपको बताता हूँ, मेरे ऐसे बच्चे हैं, अभी एक भोजपुरी के अंदर कमेंट्री दे रहा है बच्चा, IPL के अंदर.
हाँ जी.
और ऐसे बच्चे हैं जिन्होंने नॉवेल्स लिखे हैं, और कौन सी जगह से, रीसेटलमेंट कॉलोनी त्रिलोकपुरी. सब बड़ी खुशी होती है जब इस तरीके के बच्चे कुछ परफॉर्म करते हैं.
हाँ जी.
तो ऐसा लगता है, दिल खिल जाता है, और ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे समथिंग वी हैव आवरसेल्व्स अचीव्ड, दैट वी फील.
बिल्कुल सर. वेल, थैंक यू सो मच सर. आपसे बात करके बहुत ही अच्छा लगा और काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिला, और काफ़ी अच्छी बात है कि आप बच्चों के एजुकेशन के लिए, उनके एकेडमिक्स के लिए, एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ के लिए इतना एफर्ट कर रहे हैं. सो थैंक यू सो मच सर फॉर जॉइनिंग अस, और मैं विश करती हूँ कि गॉड आपको इसी तरीके से और इन्फ्लुएंशियल बनाए ताकि आप आगे उस मदद को पहुँचा सकें. थैंक यू सो मच सर फॉर जॉइनिंग अस. थैंक्स अ लॉट.
थैंक यू मैम. थैंक यू.